In the heart of Africa, under the burning sun and endless sky, lives one of the most misunderstood creatures on this earth. They are labeled as scavengers, stealers, cowards, but the truth is far more powerful. Most people think that hyenas are scavengers or stealers. But what if I tell you that they are amongst the most successful hunters of Africa? Internet is filled with videos of hyenas scavenging or stealing the food. Very few videos show hyenas hunting, and this leads to perception that they are scavengers. In reality, hyenas gets up to 70 to 80% of its food by hunting. Yes, you heard it right. Most of what it eats, it catches itself. It is true that hyenas do scavenge. They will take advantage of free meal wherever they can. But do you know, even lions, who are considered as king of the jungle, will take advantage of a free meal. They also steal food from other predators and scavenge. And what about humans? But despite this similarity, lion is considered as a king of jungle, whereas hyena earned that bad reputation. Hyenas are termed cleanup crew as they are responsible for keeping the ecosystem free of any leftover like skin of an animal or even that hard to break bone. Every part is consumed. Nothing is wasted. Hyenas hunt in coordinated group called clan. But I have personally seen solitary hyena hunting and bringing down a wildebeest. A single hunt can last several kilometers. They don't easily give up, and their stamina is legendary. With one of the strongest bite force in the animal kingdom, can crush bone with ease. Whether hunting or scavenging, hyena plays a vital role in keeping the ecosystem healthy. They prevent disease by cleaning up carcasses and control the prey population by hunting efficiently. So instead of being a villain in the savannah, they are actually heroes, and that also earns them a title, Queen of Savannah. So next time when you go on an African safari, look at them as a strategic hunter and a key player in the wild. Spend some time with them, and they are also good subject to photograph. If you think that this video added to your knowledge, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to keep exploring. Until next time.